Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium bicarbonate. First, gather your essential materials and ensure a safe working environment. We'll cover the simple steps to convert potassium carbonate into its bicarbonate form using carbon dioxide. This process is straightforward, but precision and safety are key to achieving a pure product. Let's get started by reviewing what you'll need for this chemical transformation. Before beginning, ensure you have potassium carbonate, distilled water, and a reliable source of carbon dioxide, such as dry ice or a gas cylinder. You'll also need a suitable reaction vessel, like a beaker, along with a stirring mechanism and filtration apparatus. Remember, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety goggles and chemical-resistant gloves, throughout the entire procedure. To begin the carbonation, dissolve your potassium carbonate in distilled water, typically using a ratio of 1 part carbonate to 2 parts water by mass. Next, introduce carbon dioxide gas into this solution. You can bubble the gas through using a tube, ensuring good contact with the liquid. As the reaction proceeds, potassium bicarbonate will start to precipitate out of the solution, indicating the conversion is underway. Once the precipitation is complete, carefully filter the mixture to collect the solid potassium bicarbonate. Use a funnel and filter paper to separate the solid from the remaining liquid. After filtration, wash the collected crystals with a small amount of cold distilled water to remove any impurities. Finally, spread the purified potassium bicarbonate on a clean surface or in a low-temperature oven to dry completely, preparing it for storage or use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.